In an interview, a candidate was asked to place a space after the country code, but he could not do it and failed the interview. So let's learn how to add a space after the country code. So first of all, I'll go to the result column and add a equals to sign and look for replace function, and then I will highlight the text, right, and then I'll specify the position from where I want to replace the text. So I'll add 4 because we have to add a space at the fourth position of the text, and then I want to replace 0 character, and then what I will do is I will add a space. So I'll put it in double quotes and then I'll close the bracket and hit enter. After this I will drag this to the rest of the rows, and you see that we have added space at the fourth position of this mobile number. Please like this video and subscribe the channel.